It's the clash of AI website builders, Durable or Builder.ai. Which one really delivers? On the left, we have Durable, promising a complete website in just 30 seconds. On the right, Builder.ai, boasting powerful customization and AI-driven automation. We're putting both through the tests that matter: speed, customization, value for money, ease of use, and support. We're cutting through the marketing hype and putting your claims to the real test. Each feature gets a score, and in the end, we'll stack them up to reveal the clear winner. The outcome might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's a quick mind map of everything we're going to cover: price, speed and simplicity, customization and features, AI capabilities, ecosystem and integrations, use case fit, and finally, support and community. So, yeah, by the end of this, you're definitely going to know which tool's right for you. So, let's kick things off with the big one: price. Durable is honestly super appealing here. You can literally get a basic website up for free, and the paid plans are pretty transparent. No shady surprises in the checkout. The catch? You're not getting crazy customization on that free tier, but for a lot of people, that's fine. Now, when it comes to Builder.ai, things get a bit more, let's say, flexible. They do project-based quotes, so you aren't nailed to a menu of static pricing, which can be great if you want something custom. On the downside, it gets expensive. Fast, especially if you want a full-blown custom setup. Oh, and no free tier here, so Durable takes the win for Wallet.ai. Things get a Builder.ai, things get a Builder.ai. Things get a bit more, let's say, flexible. They do project-based quotes, so you aren't nailed to a menu of static pricing, which can be great if you want something. Moving on, speed and simplicity. This is where Durable really flexes. Seriously, it's kind of wild. You give it a prompt, blink, and boom, your site is live. No coding, no drama. The trade-off, obviously, is that you don't get endless flexibility. But if you need a website now, not tomorrow, that kind of rocks. Builder.ai, on the other hand, has a little more of an involved process. You get more features, and there's even a real human project manager to hold your hand through it, which is cool if you're building something big. But there's always a building something big. But there's always a but. Getting a working prototype isn't instant, so you're not getting rucked. Alright, but what if you want to do more than just slap up a simple site? Enter customization and features. Durable keeps it straightforward. You can absolutely edit your design and content, and it even throws in some AI sparkle here and there. But, and this is a big one, if you're looking for deep customization or advanced business logic, it's just not built for that. Builder.ai, this is its turf. You can build web or apps from literally scratch, integrate APIs, plug into all sorts of services, get advanced features, the works. Of course, this means you have to roll up your sleeves a bit. There's a learning curve and some upfront planning. But honestly, for power users, Builder.ai sweeps this category. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Durable claims it can build you a live site in less time than it takes to make coffee? I mean, that's kind of wild when you think about it. Now, AI capabilities. Durable's claim to fame is dead simple. You type a prompt and the whole website just materializes. Plus, it keeps throwing real-time suggestions your way, which is kinda neat. Only limitation? It's not making complex apps, just sites. Builder.ai, meanwhile, has an AI-powered setup wizard that helps with apps, and even takes over some project management tasks, which, if you hate email chains, is a win. But you will still need to do some of the heavy lifting yourself. It's not totally hands-off. For sheer ease of use, Durable sneaks ahead here. Okay, let's talk ecosystem and integrations. So, Durable covers the basics. You get e-commerce blocks, newsletter forms, the usual suspects. But when it comes to working with really complex external tools, you'll find yourself hitting walls. Builder.ai, though, this is where it struts. You get heaps of third-party integrations, API access, plugins, the works. Just keep in mind, some of the fancier stuff comes at an extra charge. Still, the crown for integrations definitely goes to Builder.ai. Let's zoom out and talk about use case fit. Durable is without question your go-to for portfolios or simple business sites. Zero code, zero hassle, zero time wasted. The flip side, you're not going to build the next Uber with it. Builder.ai, though, is built for the big leagues. Custom web and mobile apps, complex logic, scalability. The thing is, for very simple sites, it's almost too much. So honestly, this one's a tie. They just serve totally different audiences. Right, support and community. Durable gives you email support and decent help docs. That's about it, really. There's no live project management or Slack-style instant help. Builder.ai, though? Oh, it definitely brings the firepower. You get a dedicated project manager, big support teams all over the world. Honestly, if you're building something serious, that extra hand-holding matters. The trade-off, people on smaller projects might feel a bit left on read. Still, Builder.ai is the clear winner for support. If you're the visual type, just check out these scores side by side. You can really see where each platform stands out. There's clear strengths on both sides depending on what you need. If I had to sum it up, Durable is unbeatable for fast, simple websites. You want something up literally in seconds, this is it. But if you're dreaming about custom apps, scaling, and those deep integrations, Builder.ai is definitely the direction you want to go. If you found this comparison helpful, follow for more side-by-sides. Stay ahead on the latest AI tools and